Hello everybody, we're in Verkhovyna district and going to Pysanyi Kamin.
Pysanyi Kamin is a very well-known place in Ukrainian Carpathians and quite popular route, which is very easy to do in one day. I will leave you GPS coordinates in the comments of the video and you can easily find how to get to the spot. This is the beginning of the route, and as you see, the road is quite good and you will have a path all along the way. Sometimes you can even see people going there with a four-wheel drive almost to the top of the mountain. The arrow is showing you where we actually have to go to the top of that mountain. Along the way, you will observe fantastic views, and it is perfect day to spend on a hike and to take time for yourself. The route is very popular, nevertheless there are not so many people on the way. The route is very famous among people who are spiritual or who believe in energies or who use these energies for their own good. And it is a very famous place because it used to be a worship place for centuries. Even if you are not going to Pysanyi Kamin for that particular reason, you can enjoy the views just like I did along the way and enjoy the beautiful sceneries and the mountains and the sounds of birds singing. The trip is totally worth it. The height of the mountain is 1221 meters and the hike is really not complicated, so almost everyone can do it. All you need to have is one day. Along the hike you might meet cows, horses or sheep. Also, some people like to pick berries on the way or mushrooms or herbs. So if you know how they look like, you might enjoy this activity as well. Finally, we approach to our destination, which is Pysanyi Kamin, which is basically the rocks with the height of approximately 20 meters, which you have to climb. And on top of this monumental rocks, you will see the actual worship places of pagans. You will see the old writings on the stones itself, on the rocks. That's why it is called Pysanyi Kamin, which is translated into English as written or writings on the stones. Of course, there are many legends connected to the place, and of course you never know whether these legends are true or not. But one thing is for sure, and which was proven also by the scientists, that this place is the place for worshipping, and it truly has different energy. The territory of the complex is pretty big, and this is me walking along the territory of this complex. I unfortunately could not get on top of the rocks itself as they are very steep, and I was there alone, so I couldn't manage to climb on top. But nevertheless, even the hike itself is an amazing place to see and to enjoy. They look really magnificent, and the energy is magnificent too. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me. Please subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos about Ukraine, about hiking, about Carpathians. Comment on the video if you liked it, and share it with your friends who are maybe planning to come to Ukraine or interested not only in Ukraine but travels in total. It was a pleasure for me to be with you. Thank you for watching again, and see you in my next videos.